Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Snapchat app, and at the top we can see our profile and we need to tap on it. Here we need to find at the top settings and tap on it too. Then we can see a lot of options, but we need to scroll down and find app appearance and tap on it. Here we can see match system, always light and always dark. For example, we can tap on always dark, and now our app will be in dark mode. And the same with light mode. That's all. It was how to enable dark mode on Snapchat app. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, we would love if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.